We know that the holidays are the most lucrative time of the year for creators and retailers, and I couldn't be more excited to share with you what we have coming up. Every one of you works so hard to put together the perfect gift guides, content, and strategies to help your shoppers win the season, and we have a new feature for you that'll make this even easier.
All right, Candy, what do we have? What do we got? I got started as a creator because I've always wanted to have my own business. I had no idea what I was getting into, and I feel like sometimes being naive is great. I was only 32, we're under 50. I feel like if I knew everything that goes on, I would be like, whoa. What's a Macaulay Culkin? I made a half a buck, but I think it's good. And I feel like more people are starting to see like, oh, this is the way to shop. See how the top isn't fitted?
Come look at my Lego. Come on, Mom.
There's just so much work that's going on behind LTK that continues to innovate and make it even more of a streamlined experience for shoppers. Do some reels. So being able to be a resource for people and be like, okay, I know that there's a lot going on, but let me go ahead and streamline this for you. Like, that's very exciting to me. We do everything from the iPhone. So we'll have the iPhone, Candy will be here, and I walk on camera like this. And we do the reels. I love being able to curate like what some gift ideas might be for people. And then I get excited because then I get to be a part of someone else's gift giving. That's what I'm like big about for gifts, that you can get a lot of good use. Things that are practical, things that you're gonna wear a lot. Ideally, when you're giving someone a gift, you want them to use it, right? Yeah, I feel like gift guides are a great way to give someone a resource that is like the whole enchilada. So my rings right here, these are linkable on LTK. I wear them every day and I get questions on them all the time. So instead of me saying, oh, well, why don't you check out this, Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk. Instead of just saying that, like I say it to them, but in a visual manner with the shopping links that are right there. And this would make an awesome gift. I feel like it's practical. It can go from day to night. You can dress it up, dress it down. So I feel like the inspiration behind it is just the other person on the other side and their life. And when they share with me, you guys are an inspiration.
Oh, come on, let's go. I'll run with you. I'll run with you.
Oh my God. Really, you guys, I'm forever grateful for LTK that they have believed in me and like featured me and given me opportunities like this. Like, it really is just so humbling, and it just means so much to me. Whatever. There's so many things about this business that is rewarding to me. I love serving people. I love being able to help people. And this business happens to be around shopping, so I want to do my job well. If you give me a task to do, like I want to do my best. I'm gonna do 80-20 because I want to be able to do everything, but like I will put my heart and soul into it. You guys want to see my award that my son got me? It says, congrats on adulting. I keep this with me right here. You ask me where do I want to go? Well, where are you guys going? Because I want to go too. I'm coming. Go here, choo-choo. Smile. But make sure you're following me. If you're not following me, I'm going to be here. I'm going to be up all night because I don't sleep. I'm just going to be here like serving you at your service. Good job, choo-choo.
Growing up, I always wanted to work in the fashion industry and to be an entrepreneur. And to get to be part of stories like Jen's is why our team wakes up every day and gives it everything that we have. And we are so grateful to be able to power your business. Gift guides are sure to help you maximize the holiday season. Here's how the new feature will look in the LTK app. Your gift guides will be prominently displayed at the top of your shop for the holiday season. Guides are unique in that they will have a title and a caption for easy scrolling. And holiday shopping usually starts by Halloween, but this year it's begun even earlier because of supply chain issues and product shortages. So that's why you need to have your guides posted as soon as possible to help your shoppers be successful and not out of luck this holiday season.